Hello everyone, this is Devik Maheshwari and Project Neurus. Now, what is Neurus? Every AI has amnesia. You close the tab and it forgets you. And those who have memory layer, they own your memory. That means you cannot delete them, you cannot own them, and they can even sell out your memory. That's why we built Neurus. Neurus is a verifiable layer for your own memory, for your AI and for you. It lives on Walrus with this cute icon and Neurus infra layer, and let's check out how it works. First of all, we have blogs here. So we have published a few blogs where we explain how we are building the Neurus layer. We explain the algorithms we use. We explain the anthropic papers which we took in as our base, and how Walrus, Sui, Seal, and our own memory layer infra are connected together. Now let's get started. You can use any method. Let's connect with wallet because that's pretty easy for us. And it's important that you understand I have already created my delegation key, but for anyone coming new, they can just go right here and click on own my memory on Walrus and use their own delegate key to upload their memories to Walrus. Let's go to datasets, and well, I haven't uploaded any dataset yet, so let me upload a dataset. Quant trading application I was building, and these are all its docs. This is a pretty big file with more than 1500 lines, and I'm uploading the entire document right here. Now the file has been uploaded and you can do multiple things with it. First of all, and very interesting thing is you can create a widget of it. Now what do you do with a widget? Frankly speaking, if anyone has their docs and they want to use AI on it, they have to contact companies and do so much stuff. It's very simple. You upload your docs and you get a iframe widget which you can actually use in your application. So this is a widget which you get and you can change its UI. So uh, what is quant trading? Now what's going to happen here is it's not going to use any LLM for the answer. It's going to use LLM, but it's going to use the memory layer of it. So it's going to quant trading is a practice of. Now these are the chunks which is it used to fed the application. That means it literally used the memory we just uploaded. Now how do we know that? We know that using neurons. Now these are the chunks which were created using the readme we just uploaded, and these are too many chunks. And if you look at the graph view, these are all the chunks. Right now these are scattered, but in a few minutes these are all going to form a graph. Now next thing you can do is in the ask option, just as we did in the preview widget, you can ask any questions on the knowledge set you uploaded. In the second brain option, you can dump anything about your personal life. It uses Seal for the encryption and uploads it directly to Walrus. And then this acts as your second brain, which gives you insight on things, which extracts the person you interact with and gives it live to you. Next is the sets. Now sets contain data sets. So you can change any sets here and can upload a data set to any particular set. Now in the overview section, you're going to look at the neurons which are getting created, the pending writes, the people which we have interacted with, and the insights. Next very interesting thing that you can do is you can connect your Telegram right here. Now let me try that. And so now what's going to happen is you can literally use your Telegram to chat with your memory layer. Okay, Neurus is connected. You will get nudges here. Hi. Hi there, hope you're having a great day, and you can upload your memory and then chat with it on Telegram. So everything is uploaded on Walrus, and for someone coming right here, you can just, and for someone coming the first time, they'll need to create their own delegate keys. Otherwise, I have my own delegate keys. That's why I can look up this record on Walrus, and yep, it's going to take some time for index, but yeah. So there is its blob ID, and you can actually add docs from URL. You can import a GitHub repo, you can import a Walrus blob, you can publish set snapshot, you can upload a folder, and can ask anything about it. We have and can generate neurons for it. Now something interesting, let's look at the graph view, and there we have the beautiful graph. So every chunk is connected to the main readme file, and you can look up information based on these particular chunks from the ask section. And you can also create a widget as we did and embed this in your application. So that's Neurus. Neurus is the memory infra layer for Walrus. What we did is we added a bunch of algorithms, autoencoders, anthropic papers to build on top of the Walrus and the mem1 layer, and then build the infra on top of it. So anyone using Neurus, do tag us out. We also have a cool Axe account, and We are using Tatum API for all our interactions on Walrus. And yeah, thank you guys.